Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about smart workers and how they can help you achieve your goals. You know, being a smart worker doesn't just mean being intelligent or skilled. It's about being strategic, resourceful, and adaptable. It's about being proactive and taking initiative. Smart workers are always looking for ways to improve their skills, learn new things, and stay ahead of the curve. They're not afraid to ask questions, seek feedback, and challenge themselves. And here's the best part. Smart workers don't just focus on their own growth. They also help others around them grow. They're team players, and they know that when everyone on the team is growing, the whole team benefits. So, if you want to be a smart worker, remember to be strategic, resourceful, adaptable, proactive, and a team player. Now, what exactly does that mean? Well, smart workers are those who use their intelligence, creativity, and resourcefulness to achieve their goals. They're not afraid to think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions to problems. Smart workers are also adaptable, flexible, and willing to learn new skills. They're not afraid to take on new challenges and are always looking for ways to improve themselves. They're also great at managing their time and prioritizing tasks. But being a smart worker isn't just about being intelligent. It's also about being a team player, communicating effectively, and being respectful of others. Smart workers are always willing to lend a helping hand and support their colleagues. So, if you want to be a smart worker, remember to use your intelligence, be adaptable, communicate effectively, and support your team. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and advice on how to be a better worker. Until next time, stay smart and stay awesome.